we have guests inside the building. Every week we promise artists slash a well-known DJ. We have a very controversial person in the building right now. He go by the name of Mr. Metta.
Uncle.
Even.
You have to wear the headphone and see your struggle.
Even.
You know, go on there. Yes.
That's better.
Uncle Metta is here, people. Welcome to the show. Welcome to TGM Radio. People who don't know Mr. Metta, he's a prominent UK selector / MC host, promoter, a whole lot of different hats, and he's a designer, all different things. Yeah. So he's here with us. Welcome to the show. Good evening. How you doing today?
Yeah, man. Manners.
Respect, man. And
people, hold on. Before we go any further in this interview, if you know your friend, when I watch, tell your friend, because we are talking to Mr. Metta. Remember, I live on a body yard, So somebody think they might talk this evening.
Yeah.
To step on some people. And,
yeah.
I don't know. I probably have been
no, we don't step on nobody.
No, we don't step on nobody.
No, because we don't kill people. We build people.
No, sir.
But you know what thing go? Him just so talk whatever the topic come up. Him talk clear from him heart. Him not live on nobody yard. Alright.
See there.
Let's start this way. Metta, we realize that you start a new trend now. You do facial hair business. Where are you becoming a Muslim? Or
no. I just look. I keep warm when I hibernate.
Yeah, hibernate?
Yeah. See how somebody electric bill and the gas bill in the house.
I lie. That's a one. So tell us who is Mr. Metta. Are you born in Jamaica or are you born in the UK?
Yeah, Mr. Metta, born and bred. Them say UC somewhere around the capital. So you see what I mean? Uptown, Papine, Garden Town.
Papine side.
Yeah.
Have you been in the UK for how long?
Them say early 97.
Early 97. That makes it almost 20 years now.
Over 20 years, man.
Over years.
Two and a quarter decade, them say.
It's 21 years.
22 years coming now.
No, it's
January 23.
Yeah.
It's been here a while. You could have since you're forward to England, you could have a child where you know would be considered as a man.
I definitely have that boat here.
Definitely have one big boy,
Yes, we've got them big son with you.
See there.
All them are going him can't really raise him voice too much because his son. I don't know if a Patrick
go
him
easy.
Go easy.
I
don't know if I share.
No man, you big and respectful, man. You know what I mean? You grow him right, so you know him have said daddy right through from.
Of course.
Mommy put him out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
Right up till now.
But Mr. Metta, you have quite a few different sides because I know you as an entrepreneur and I know you're passionate about music, but over the years you've been doing the DJ side and you also had a few promotion. Talk me through the few things that you done because you done events called T-shirt and panty, and just give me a rundown of the things that you done.
All right, here I go on. Times change and things evolve, right? From the day I made the music, basically. You understand? I was not selector, but I promote music.
Yeah.
You understand? From first party was 98. First real party was about 98.
Okay.
So the ground was always loving some form of music. I just start out buying records before I just forward a car. When you forward to England, you never have the family where you could have run up and down or you could have called Rick or you could have called last time. You can't call nobody, everybody gonna work.
Yeah.
And me alone. So music was a thing where everybody was forward, lean into music.
Yeah.
You understand? Because it in your blood from Jamaica. So forward in here, music was the thing. Everybody want to get to know you from music. As I book up a news person in the street, I book up an English person, they might have said, yo, what go on, what a new dance at Jamaica? What a new song? So it's like that them want. So you have to lean onto that. So it start from this and then start the promotion and then a time reach where I start the producing. Because before I come up selector I was producing.
I know you did a couple of productions.
Yeah, I was producing
first
first.
as well.
Yeah, because when I reach back home to Jamaica, I realized the youth them need some certain equipments and need certain, certain help. So I say, here I go on. Bro, producing thing, I'm thing there. I'm start do some producing and when I start do some producing, I start play the music.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
You understand? And from start play the music, the thing to start evolve into the music, playing the music, being a DJ, a selector, a radio presenter, and still I produce music. Okay, I never ever stop produce music.
So which side does you mostly love? You like the DJ
I love music,
side?
brother. When I have a music, my music don't stop. I just love music.
So you don't matter if it's a DJ
it don't matter
thing
where it
or
goes.
if it's
When
a
they
production
at the same vibe it give me. If I'm in a studio and becomes a boom and my rhythm there and artists do some good vocal on it, I drop some right lyrics.
Yeah.
At the same feeling like me that up on a stage. I'm gonna say, oi! You understand? And play the same first music or do the same juggling at the same feeling.
Okay, but I see you kind of taking a back seat in terms of the DJ aspect of it. I see like I don't know if it's your love for DJ is going slightly away from you or you're focusing on a different aspect of the music. But in terms of the DJ aspect, I've not seen you in the street active as when I used to know you before, like back in the days.
No, here I go on. The active never stop yet. Cause here I go on. Sometime when in a year time, you just hold the sideline. You don't try and fight it. You just when in a year time, you hold the sideline and do what you can do.
Yeah.
It's not like a stop player. You understand? Cause it's a team, you know. A lot of people don't understand. So yo, when you're in a company, it's a team. This game, music game, you don't stop at nobody foot. So even you know see me active out there, me still active in some way. Me that do music, or me that do over a record company, I do some work, or me that link certain artists, or me that me yard I do some mixtape. You know with the SoundCloud page, man.
Yeah.
All 3-4 times for the year, me upload a mixtape, you know.
Yeah. And
For the last so much years, about 10 years.
But anybody know Mr. Metta know like you would be on like some of the hot events over the years, and like people haven't seen you coming out playing a lot. Like it's very rarely and very selective party people can see Metta these days. Why is that?
Because here I go on, the thing change. At one time you have a bag of venue. You understand? So the thing calculate down now to the promoter them. You understand? So in other words, to enhance their event, most of the time them will go for the main 4 or 5 front runner. You understand? Them not gonna think say here we go on. We're gonna balance out the field. You understand? We're gonna just balance out the field and keep it as how it used to is. Cause a whole heap of thing affect the music, you know. Cause venue for one of the big thing with it, you know. And then you have the late goers now. You understand? You have the late thing now. Where everybody come out 3 o'clock. Everybody a star. Nobody know want to come in a party from 12 o'clock.
I'll stop you there when you say that, because there was this, according to the recent party that we went to, there was a party, who's listening and watching right now is called Buckle Match Buckle. There was some speculation going around that some of the DJs that came, they came a bit late. So it caused a eruption in the playing order, and some people were uncomfortable and some people were complaining that DJs turned up late and wanted to play before and who was not on the bill.
Yeah.
Is this something of a common theme that keeps occurring, and what happened in your eyes on the evening, on the night? Because there's a variation of different things people keep saying. One is saying that some of the DJs, they didn't call Mr. Metta name personally, but they said that some of them was playing like they're star.
Alright, here I go on. You see, main problem with that now.
Yeah.
Me get to find out, say, or realize, say, yo, some people just not accept changes or accept another personnel next to them as them co-worker.
Yeah.
You understand? Because even though the time I run late with everybody, you know, see my time I stage show going to Jamaica and the time I run late and 10 artists book up on the 1 hour, a last half an hour. And everybody, everybody make it nice. Everybody go home happy.
Yeah.
Promoter go home happy, party nice, and everybody go home happy. Some people just think say, yo, an idea, the thing stop at their foot alone. You understand? And the next man with this idea is not a co-worker. It's an individual thing. It's an I man.
Yeah.
That is the problem. It wasn't the promoter. We don't know, say, yo, an idea. The promoter want him party nice. So, an idea, it might feel got say, yo, an idea in the book, Rick. Yeah. I am the book. All-star.
Yeah.
You understand? Because everybody sit down and comes and say, oh, right. Another thing again too, the promoter, them know everybody about here in England. Them know everybody. So if you see him pass you every day or every year and you still again the same respect and the same loyalty, him would call you and say, yo, here you go and make sure say, yo, you're there at the party.
All right.
Because you're my DJ too.
So you touched on a little topic where you say like DJs over here don't really share the joy and make the party nice. And I realize that that's true because you have enough of them have this aspect. No matter how sweet the party is going or how good the party is going, they have this thing where them start over. Or them come with a different pace. What about continue the same pace that the DJ leave off because you as you say, we all are co-workers. Start off with that same pace.
Yeah, because there's no unity. There's no leg. Nobody now run the leg at the race.
As you say, it's a minimum time. If the party start over and build up again, that's gonna accumulate a long time.
Let me show you something. A long time in their party in England, we see the world changes when it go up and when it go sideways. You understand? So other selectors here be long enough. I do it long enough. I've seen them rising from them. I cry the crates, the big box and all these things till it becomes laptop now, and it still have crate and music in it. You understand? Till we're as a selector even fighting the technologies. You understand? Till them have convert themselves back to the same thing where them been fighting. So it's just a man in a brain now for just tell himself, so you're a one. This thing you can't stop learn. You understand? You can accept or you can fight it. And if you fight it, it's not going to help you.
Either evolve or die.
If you fight it, you're not going to last. You're going to die out, brother. So you have to just accept the changes we're going to run in night. And nobody even fight nobody. Because you're a one now. Let me show you something. How easy this thing is.
Yeah.
How much people come by your show and you ask them probably who are the top personnel we are leading in England right now?
Yeah. We ask everybody.
Almost everybody.
We were going to ask
and who answered that question there?
Everybody said the same thing, really.
Everybody really said the same thing, like they would consider themselves united.
Let me give you a scenario. You never see every 400 yards of Jamaica there's a church. And I never live to see a pastor and a pastor fight yet. I never see that. You understand? Because them know say, yo, this is a business. It have structure in it. You understand? If a church over there, so I do it, I do over there, so, and a man over there, so I do him, I do over there, so, nothing wrong. The whole of there in the same business. So in idea, I'm not going to try and drag down your one over there, so I'm not going to try and kill you over here, so, because you're going now. It will affect everybody. So if you come around and say, yo, you're going, your thing over there, so smell bad. You know, if you say it will affect me too. It will affect me too. So I'm going to understand, say, yo, is that a man of time now? At a man of time now? Give him that leverage there and know, say, yo, a fame time now. And here I go on, it will work out for you too. Because if him start drive the train, each carriage will follow. Them will go jog along. If them now follow, them will go jog along. You understand? People don't understand that. So if you fight that one person there because you want to reach to the top and try to drag them down, you are going to drag down the whole business. And that people don't really understand. You are going to drag down the whole business. If one big artist bust out there morning, so they're going to looking for more. They're going to look for Eric. They're going to look for All-Star. They're going to look for Chino. Because the thing become bigger now. Him going places now. They want more. Because one selector cannot play for the masses of people or play the amount of music that's there.
It is possible. It makes sense what you're saying. But as someone said recently, that the business is not to be changed. Is the people are the problem.
Right. Whosoever said that, have the idea.
And what I said last week, I could say this week again. In terms of UK selector breaking the market in terms of outside of UK, it's none of them really.
It not happened yet. But it a reach though.
Why is that?
Why is that? Because you're going. Why is that? Everybody would think that an idea may become the I person is I, and I realize so an idea so if you give a man their strength over there so. When him reach at the top, no matter if him not even draw you, it matter if him not draw you to the top, here we go on. People are going to look in for others.
I feel like it's a magnifying glass.
People are going to look in for others.
Other selector will get boss because them start look to London and say, the youth are come from London, so London music must be good.
All right, let me show you a scenario. I book almost every year for an event in New York. Zin? And when I reach New York, and then ask, if you mean to reach New York at a venue, they won't ask for say, basically, a London that you come from. And if you can do that work here, there's more DJ there. Who are over there? You understand? So you trying to hold back a next DJ now, you don't go hold him back yourself. Because you don't realize, say, the farther him go, or the more eyes open up. If you say, UK, I do it.
We see the problem, and me see the problem, and I figure out what the problem is. The problem is the same set of DJs at the top for the last 10 to 15 years. And the same set of DJs play exactly the same way. So there's no room for growth. So it's like a lock up in a one building and the same era circulate. So and realize UK people them stubborn. They don't let new blood in that easy. It does happen occasionally a
here
new soul
new
comes
blood,
in.
new blood easy to find, man. Cause here I go. Listen.
Yeah, but they don't give them a list. Don't give them
Rick, if you say you have 4 front runner, right?
Yeah.
At them determine. Listen, we are selectors and DJ. We're like pastors. Yeah. If somebody come to a rave right now, right? You could influence them to do almost bagger things if you want them to do that. Right? They come out in the worst mood and leave in the best of mood.
Yeah.
You understand? So if you as a selector know say try to protect the industry, right? It's not a I man thing or it don't go to Japan my yard. It's a thing we are go evolve and grow. You understand? For everybody. So if you said to me, say you're a go on, because selector used to do it before. Ask them before them if nobody never do it before.
Yeah, but nobody now bring nobody now.
A man with that know say you in the dance, right? Or for instance, you get booked for the last month or 2 months and know say you passing a party. Him still can call you out 10 minutes out of him, half an hour, 5 minutes or whatever and say DJ, Rick, a bad DJ, you know what I mean? Two songs.
When me realize over here, in terms of like passing the baton on to somebody, that don't mean say when you pass the baton on to somebody, you're out of the game.
No, you're not going nowhere, brother. You
realize how politics work. Remember put it that way because Thursday election scene. Remember just put it that way. Mm-hmm. So basically, in each party, if you be the head of the party or the leader of the party, you have to get support from your camp.
Yeah.
So in terms of young DJ coming up, as we say, UK people are very selective of the young selectors in the party. No matter what you're playing or how you're playing, as well as I'd say, they will stand up and look on you so because they're not endorsing you. And say like they're not giving you the strength to let the people to open the door and say like listen people, you know,
let me show you that.
They need to do it because it's gonna be a time where they're all older than we.
Yeah, what's gonna happen?
It's gonna affect the music industry.
That's one of the biggest question, brother. Not even only that. If them keep on doing them, I do nobody not gonna reach me, brother. Because it gonna stop one place. We're gonna just the one place, and then when the bigger problem go on now, you hear say everybody are gonna run for help.
Alright, here we know. We stop speculating. Let me just bring it out into perspective. Yeah, we're gonna name out the people them. You don't have to say anything, but me and Jagan can say.
We can't talk them out.
Alright, so listen. So we are gonna talk about some of the front runner them now. World Power Sound. Who are them protege? Who them bring forward to the game and give? Who are them
who they're bringing into the game? Somebody outside of their camp.
I can't say Bones in a sense, but I don't really say Bones I play for World Power.
Not really. Like
I play for Gangsta
Kid. So I want to say Bones. They bring Bones out of their camp.
So World Power get a why there, so.
Why? So alright, moving on.
Squidly Brew, Blue Sun. Who are them protege?
I don't know nobody what them bring through the ranks. To be honest.
I don't know nobody what them bring through.
So moving right on.
Gangsta Kid.
Yeah.
Who am protege? Where am I bring through? Where am I forward? We don't see nobody.
So
it's a tree me gone already. You know?
Alright. World Boss leaders.
World Boss leaders and Grandpa. Who them bring through?
Same thing.
Nobody. Who else me can bring through the top shooter? Andrew Fresh.
In a sense, I think I'll get Andrew Fresh a little blind.
Yeah,
because Andrew Fresh always get Loyal Squad there props all over the
world. And not just Loyal Squad. Notice when you hit up a topic this, right?
Yeah.
Notice when Andrew Fresh have a playing field. Fresh reach out to everybody. Fresh reach out to the front runners and him reach out to who they the same way. Because everybody are front runner.
But that is the problem we have right now. Our problem that we find now. Alright, that we find now. That's the problem now. Because we name 5 shooters already. We're in the front room where everybody has it week in, week out.
Movie star Johnny took
movie star Johnny.
We bring to the front.
We don't see movie star bring nobody to the front.
Exactly. So we have to be things fair because I think movie star Johnny has done extremely well this year, but at the same problem. It's like a vicious cycle. And like for this music go forward and we have to change our way of thinking or our way of doing business because at the end of the day is you realize it's all about the structure. That lead down to the venue shortage,
the structure,
the way we organize ourselves when we keep in a party, the way we do business by conducting the flyer and how we set up our venues and party. And it's so frustrating to see dance as one of the biggest urban culture worldwide.
The formula,
are one of the most scrutinized.
Jagan, the formula is there. Some people just don't want the formula. You understand? The formula is there to make it easy and everybody alright. But as me say, the thing is just so selfish. You know, me see oh, some people move more time and talk more time. It's like say you have an idea. If the plane they come with them alone and no more plane no fly again,
Right.
Them good with that.
Them good with that.
That, you know, say that we need to press that issue there.
That are the biggest issue.
We're gonna start calling them out every week, you know.
That is the biggest issue.
I feel like if we call them out more, it might create some enemy for, but who cares?
Like, fam, it's not about enemy, and because.
But it's the truth, brother.
We have
the
to
truth
get
always
this
hurt.
thing sorted, because at the end of the day, look at this now. It's gonna hurt we more in the long run, because listen, if them pick the apple off of the tree and cut it down, we're not an apple for eating.
No left.
Problem, Charlie.
Because who apart from Liar Squad, we get a proper look in and people accept them as a sound now and them reach and the people say yes. There is no other as
big up Liar Squad, big up the world squad.
Them extremely hard.
But hold on. You have selected just out there just as good as Liar Squad.
No, we know that. That's
and
Liar Squad.
And Liar Squad still not reach. Them are put in a bag of work and them still not reach where them supposed to reach. Because them still are put in all their work them same way right now.
That makes sense. We know so not reach where them supposed to reach. But the point is they got a chance and they got a highlight because Andrew Fresh give them a genuine look in and say, all right, these guys are good, and keep helping them, and they manage to help themselves.
So why more not do that? Why the others not do that? Why more not do that?
This is what we find. This is the problem we find now.
Because
how we're gonna do about it? Are we gonna bash them, or are we gonna try to ask them?
And when I talk this is non-apologetically, I think like a lot of things, top runners, if some of the simple DJ were going under the radar, catch you guys in a neutral ground, like out of the UK,
you don't have to say no more.
Do that.
You don't even say no more.
It would really show you the levels of work and the levels of
you don't even say no more,
things where need to be done inside a dance and inside a UK, because not of these younger guys will show you guys up. And I can guarantee, because first thing, I know a lot of the top runners, they have the big chat.
Yeah.
A lot of young selectors are very clever with their speech as well.
Yeah, and they're clever with they're more creative with the music as well. They're more creative
with the music as well. So I definitely can see, like, if they go on a neutral ground, it would be a problem. And World Boss is there, see point where make him say the UK crowd don't accept a new sound if you don't get that stamp of approval inside London, to be honest.
But you're not get the platform, G. You're not get the platform. Listen up, Dragon, you're not get the platform. That's as me I said to you, said, just like how you say Fresh should have give Liar Squad the platform and say you're rare. Go on. Them not get the platform. Alright, let me show you how me get a platform. You understand? Let me show you me get a platform. Me I play a bar. Me I play a Bee Gees first. Shockwell Lane. Yeah, first, yeah? And then bar open. Right? One of the first DJ them for Grace bar. Right?
True that.
And then they play for years. Watch it now, play for years, you know. Me I play a bar for about 2 years straight. I mean I have like 100 people, 200, 300 Friday and Saturday. You understand?
When I come here, bar was in the string and you was the one.
You get me? For about 3 years straight, 4 years, 5 years straight, me a bar like that, right? I mean, not one time me use a mic. Cause I just start playing music then. So the mic game was shy game to me. Me don't want to see no microphone, no time at all. You understand?
Yeah.
Me don't want to see this. Me just want to run the decks and mix. Consistently mix. When the first person walk in, me know them are gonna enjoy themselves till the last person walk out. You understand? And then turbulence with a forward. And then when him come see the platform, he must say, youth, you're not supposed to do this alone. The cake big outside. You understand? Take the thing bigger. Take the thing serious. You understand? And we can't forget the day when we there on a party and the youth say, you're rare. Here I go on. See a platform here.
Yeah, but we forgot to mention Bombshell Turbulence.
Big up Shell.
Bombshell as
you see me I say? So as me assure you say, it's not the people them where come listen to the music. Them come out come listen to music, me G. So you can't say because the people them stubborn and I want to let in new talent. No, it's not got enough. You don't have nothing to do with that.
No, but what Jagana say is you see at certain time at the dance.
Listen, Metta.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock at the prime time.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Say you know, Andrew Fresh, World Boss, Gangsta Kid up on the party, and say Squidly, seeing?
Yeah.
Say 2 out I play, 2 left to play. Seeing? 1 play, 1 left to play. You play in between him. People look on you like.
But But voila.
Because at the end of the day is it's like them see a new face and me see it happening in a party already. The young selector play some music and the people them because they've been groomed this way.
And who introduced that person there? Who introduced that person there?
Nobody.
That me I try to tell you.
That's why me I say some of them will say next song.
Brother, if you
don't even give it a rating.
Jagan, if you not accept, if the DJ they move before you, not accept you on the stage where you depend. You understand? What the people them know for years. How the people are gonna accept you? Them can't vouch for you.
Yeah, because
your fellow DJ now vouch for you.
So would you say it's a lacking confidence for the younger DJ?
Brother, it's not lacking confidence. If you're there on a stage and your fellow DJ,
no, like the bigger DJ them don't have.
Nobody don't know you here, so.
For the younger DJ them.
Yeah, nobody don't know you here, so. And the next DJ we are forward, they know everybody. Don't even say yo, Ray, and give that sign of approval. Say yo, boom, a all-star a juggle next. It got hard for you. So that the man realize say yo, it's a carry-on thing. It's just, just stop at your yard. Because the whole will come at the party for one reason and one reason only. One reason and one reason only. Not for come entertain the people them. We not come here for nothing else.
No, patrons come to the party to enjoy
we come for make the people them enjoy themselves.
Make people enjoy themselves.
That may I say to you.
And a lot of DJ.
You understand? Other people come there for different things.
I mean if you talk about this story, you have some DJ when them go to party, them just want to say, yo, when they play my role, I'm in a problem, you know.
What kind of that a madness, brother?
You see, if you as DJ think that way,
that's a madness, brother.
You need to change your mentality because you want to know.
The mentality a little bit, brother.
You see, your mentality, that means say you just want your half an hour or your 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And then the party.
You know the party.
And then what? And then the party stop. The promoter not eat no money because the rest of the party boring.
I can say.
And next year I'm not keep no more party.
I've been guilty of that before, but that's like a long time ago.
Them time they probably little bit. You have to grow up now, man. They need to grow up. You understand? Need to mature. They need to mature. Grow up.
All right. So we're fastly approaching time, and we ask everybody the same question. So we're gonna put this to Mr. Metta as well. In your view, name the 4 top DJ them for the UK. No particular order.
4 top DJ.
Yeah, the 4 in your view. Front runners.
For this year, actually.
Yo, but not even gonna name the 4 front runner. For now, at the time now.
Yeah.
Andrew lead the time now.
No.
Me gonna leave it there, so. Me gonna leave it there, so.
3 more.
Me gonna leave it.
So you now bring nobody else. Nobody else now get the
justice.
For
now, the time. Yeah. No man. Big up every DJ, man. Big up every selector. Cause them put in them work. So you understand?
So
them put in them work. Come see the youth them. No, I'm not just my shooter. And I'm not just my shooter. Me I show the logic. Cause every other shooter out there before get for them time and they have for them time. You understand? Did get for them time, but I just feel time now where people have just accept say yo, any idea? I am at the front gun right now.
But
you understand?
We said that DJ is doing it like all year where you see go party, you see always put in a good performance, always come play some music for the people, not selfish to them things. Yeah, you must be other DJs more than one inside the UK.
We leave it there, sir.
Metta leave it there, sir. What's next for Uncle Metta?
Well, Uncle Metta still at the music, and I think the producing will get really bigger or greater. For the 2020.
Any New Year's resolution?
No, me not do that sitting there now. I like me just live in a brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, me just live.
Any particular tracks you looking to work with? Any artists you looking to work with for the coming year?
Yeah, we have one artists in the pipeline where we are talk to, but we not let out so much secret right now. You know, we just gather the rhythm them and listen to the rhythm them and see who we fit pan one, where the idea pan the rhythm there fit that the artist there. Cause the game changed now. We can't do the same thing we used to do before.
Yeah.
You understand? Me not gonna do the same thing we used to do before. Me I do in 2005. Me not gonna do it in 2020. Yeah. So it gonna make more sense.
Of course.
You understand?
Make sure. And how we can find you online? You have a social media?
Yeah, outlet? Social media. I am Mr. Metta or Mr. Metta. Straight across the board. Whether Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. It's there. SoundCloud, Mr. Metta, same way. You understand? Mixcloud, Mr. Metta, same way. You understand? Because we put in the work. We put out the whole of the... We put in the work.
We drop 3+ mix every year. So you know
we put in the work.
When are the next t-shirt and panties, sir?
Alright, here we go now. We are rebrand something. You understand? We are rebrand something. So we put that for 1 year, we are rebrand something.
Yeah.
When it brand again, we don't know say it's a brand again. You understand? We go and wait fans though. It not long. You understand? We not, me not leave out. So, right. But it's so forward. When the thing brand and it brand the right way, It's good. It's not even only that in a Rick. Promoter them have it hard, you know.
Why?
Brother,
the whole venue issue.
Brother, if that a beat bad, beat the place bad. You understand? The time schedule where everybody a come out 3-4 o'clock as a star, I beat the promoter them bad. You understand? It a beat the industry bad. You understand? So that are one of the things we need for flip, for change. You understand? That thing they need for change.
But do you think they could commercialize dancehall in a sense to like get some of the nice West End clubs or some of the nice pasha venues? Like what we see like the soca's and the Afrobeats party get? Do you think we could do that with dancehall? And repackage it and rebrand it?
And how much people in a dancehall have them big money want to do these things?
But you have to think about like say it's a ever changing market, so you have to think about for the younger patrons.
I ask you again, how much people in dancehall got their cheddar want to do this?
A lot of people, but I think most of the hardcore dancehall party that we used to go in is cater for the over 25 and more. So why don't you guys try after the younger patrons?
You're new to foreign. You're going. We did have lot of venues, whole heap of venues, right? Some people forward into the culture and don't understand it, so it get a beaten. The culture get a beaten. We usually have places we call dancehall room, the Triumphs, the Lex, the Pavilion, the Hill Rise, the Buds, the Chicagos, the Meantime. Brother, can go on whole night.
Yes.
Naming a bag of place.
But
you understand?
We're running out of time right now, and people, Mr. Metta,
yeah,
with the New Year's resolution of producing is
no resolution.
No resolution.
No,
but the New Year vision of producing. So I want to give thanks for forward you, and anytime this is your place, you're welcome anytime before forward. Now I give thanks again for your input, and Mr. Metta is a very staple icon of the business from a long time. So give thanks and strength for your past.
Yeah, man, big up the whole Upnlive team, man. You know it go.
So,
of course.
Like a statement when him say Andrew Fresh late, so I'm not living
about just left it there, so.
Left it there, so, man. That's what everybody's supposed to understand what I'm saying. You understand?
That,
everybody have them time. The rain soon fall over your house. Wait the time.
People, hold on now. Check wait for the Christmas special. That's going to be on Christmas Eve. We're going to be live here inside TGM Radio. It might be a few guests inside the studio.
Yep.
It's going to be a jam-packed house full with prizes, surprise, and, a bag of things we'll talk. Because, remember, I don't really interview myself as yet.
Yeah.
So,
I'll get a mirror.
me talk my little 2 cents of what me think going on for dancehall in terms of who me think I lead.
Yeah.
Because when we analyze the game and we sit down and we pencil the ball game, we are give facts. So
we are draft up something. We
are draft up something.
Exactly. That will free realize enough for the people that them free if you talk the truth, like the people that will vex you and hate you, but nothing like that. Right? Give thanks. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. That is
at the Upnlive show. You don't know on YouTube.
Simple. And the show is sponsored by
Shush Print, Vaz Print, and it was produced by Real Mag.
Simple. Catch us here every Tuesday from the hours of 9 to 11 p.m.
And I want to say to everybody, love your brother, love your sister, let love rule in everything you do. I want to say, read about them, say brain power, the main power.
Simple. Right? Peace. People on the Facebook, keep liking and sharing. We are the badness, we are the streps, we are the team for the road. All right? Keep it locked this way. Next week, Tuesday, we're going to have another special guest inside the studio. Should I let the special guest out or don't let it out? No. All right. Peace.
All right. So, only look at more people.